So how to delete an Instagram account in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So first of all, I open Instagram, then click on profile. Then you need to click on this three dot menu. Again, click on account center. So this is super easy. You are able to delete your account after watching this video. Now click on personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. Now deactivation or deletion. Now if you have a multiple account, you need to select which one you want to delete. So in this mobile phone, I have only one account. So I select this one. Then click on account, delete account. Then now I must be need select why I want to delete this account. So I select something else. You can select any others as well. Now click on again, continue. Now you need to type your Instagram password as well. Now click on continue. Wow, this is the final step. Why? When you click on delete account, you delete your account will be deleted in less than 1 minutes from Instagram server and automatically you log out. So this is the method how you can delete your Instagram account in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.